Hey hotties, so I'll finally be filming the tutorial for this crochet bralette that I made. This is one version of it, my favourite version, the first version, but here's a couple other ways that I made the top. As you can see, they have like either none or different embellishments in the middle. This one's just got the simple bow. As you can see, I made the matching headband. Please let me know if you'd like the tutorial, as that's already been filmed. For the bralette, you'll need 2 shades of yarn. I'm just using acrylic as well as a 4mm hook and measuring tape as well as scissors. You just want to measure under your bust for each cut of the bralette. Make a slip knot and then chain the length of 1 cup that you've just measured. At the end of the chain, you'll just want to add an additional 2, as we'll be using double crochet. And then we're going to be skipping the first 2 chains and working a double crochet into the 3rd chain. Yarn over, insert into the chain, yarn over, 3 loops on the hook, pull through 2, 2 loops on the hook, pull through 2. We'll now be doing a linked double crochet stitch, so work into the front stitches instead of going directly into the chain. Go into the front 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, and then go into the chain before yarning over again. 3 loops on the hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2 like a regular double crochet. So the only thing that's different is you're starting off by going into the 2 stitches in front. Here's a close-up so you can see exactly which 2 stitches that I mean. Go directly into those stitches before yarning over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, go into your next chain, yarn over, 3 loops on your hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Perform the linked double crochet stitch to the end of your row. This is what the back and front should look like. Every row will start with a chain 2 and turning your work. That will count as a stitch. Now going to decrease at the start and end of our rows. Instead of doing the linked double crochet, we are just going to regularly decrease. Start a double crochet as normal, but instead of finishing it, when you've got 2 loops on your hook, go into the next chain and finish the double crochet. After the decrease, we'll be doing the linked double crochet stitch until the final 2 stitches, which is where we will decrease yet again. Start your double crochet leaving 2 chains on the hook, go into your next chain, pull through 2 into the stitch and finish that last double crochet. It should come out looking a little bit like this. As I said, chain 2 to start your work and turn over before doing the double crochet decreases at the start of the row, and then again link double crochet stitches until the end of the row where you decrease again. This pattern will continue until you get to a suitable width that you want your band to go around your neck. I left 5 stitches. I'll show you a few more stitches again so you get the pattern, but feel free to skip along to the band. Once you reach the correct band width, for me 5 stitches long, chain 2 again, turn your work as normal. But this time we will not be doing any decreases. Work directly into that chain and do the linked double crochet into each stitch, and make sure that you count so that you have the same amount of stitches. For me, 5. And we're going to continue to make 5 stitches with linked double crochet until I have the correct length that I want. Once you receive your desired length, then you're going to want to make a slight point at the top of the band. Chain 2 again, turn your work. We're going to work into the chain and decrease with a linked double crochet this time. I'm going to chain 2 again, turn my work, go into that chain 2 and do another double crochet, which will get me the triangular point effect that I'd like, and then chain 2 again just to sharpen the edge. Then feel free to fasten off after this point. You can weave in the ends as you attach, or you can leave them to cut off later. Chain 2, and that will be your first stitch, and then add another 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Once you have your shell cluster, then you will find a gap in the side of your work, the slip stitch or single crochet. We're going to keep working like this across the bralette with 3 double crochets into 1 single space, slip stitch into the next open space, and so on. Then using the second colour that you use for the shell border, you're going to want to attach the 2 middle sections. I just make a chain and then just turn it over a few times, working through both sides and then creating a knot with the excess yarn. For the tie-up back straps, you just want to work into the edge, just beneath the shell, not directly into it. And then you want to chain your desired length on each side and then work straight back in with a single crochet stitch. I added a flower embellishment to mine, and I will attach the link to the tutorial for the flower. I hope this tutorial wasn't too confusing, guys. Feel free to drop any comments, questions, reach out to me via social media and tag me if you make the top. Bye hotties!